If you struggle with Google Merchant Next, let me give you a quick solution on how to make custom reports because there is the issue. Google Merchant Center Next is slowly rolling out to Google Merchant Center, and possibly if you haven't found out yet how to make custom reports because it only gives you a particular custom label 0 or 1, I don't remember, to the products, if you give reports to your clients through Google Merchant Center Next, there was a huge struggle, so we finally found a way to overcome this. It's very simple. This is the new interface. When you go to the products, you can find only few things that can report products. But let me give you a solution on how easy this is. You go to the icon over here, and it's as simple as that. You click on the add-ons, and normally there you find the custom reports here where you add it. I've already done it, so, and it's already in my add-ons. So you just add them here, and you go to your custom reports, and there is the old interface we all loved on Google Merchant Center Next, the previous one. So